In this video we will be do class 9th exercise 15.1 some of the questions of probability. First question is, in a cricket match a batsman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls. So how many total number of balls? So two, or you can write total outcomes here is 30 and number of times she hits boundary is equals to 6. And question is probability that she did not hit a boundary. 6 times she hits the boundary and they asked probability she did not hit the boundary. So we'll find number of times she did not hit boundary is equals to, very easy, total times total ball faced is 30. 6 times she hits the boundary. So how many times she did not hit? 30 minus 6 is 24. So probability, this is the presentation I am telling you. Otherwise question is very easy. Wherever the word starts probability, write here P, then bracket, and write this whole line. She did not hit a boundary. So this is equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. In the previous video I told you this. Favorable, she did not hit the boundary, favorable is 24 and total is 30. And always you leave your answer in decimal or lowest form. So lowest form is 4/5. So final answer of this question is 4/5. Probability questions are very easy, and basics video I have made. You must have seen that. Now we move on to fifth question because rest of the questions are very easy. Fifth question is, an organization selected 2400 families. 2400 families. So how many total number of families? Total number of families is equals to 2400. And there is a survey that income level and if the number of vehicles in a family, that what about their income and how many vehicles they have. The information is gathered here in the list in this table. And first question of the book is, first part of the book says that find the probability. First part, find the probability. You need to put the bracket after probability word and write earning. You can open your book and check. Earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. How can we read this table? Earning 10,000 to 13,000 is this column, and we'll move in this column. How many vehicles? 2 vehicles. So this is our answer. This and this cross will get this 29. So favorable is 29 and total is 2400. There is no cancellation. So this is first part answer. Now second part is 16,000. Probability of 16,000 earning or more. 16,000 or more per month and exactly 1 vehicle. I am writing in short, and exactly 1 vehicle. Now see this one also, favorable upon total. Total is always 2400 because this survey has been done on 2400 families. Range this time is 1600 or more. So this is 1600 or more and vehicle is exactly 1. So this is our answer, 579. Favorable is 579 over 2400. Now third part. Third part is probability of less than 7,000, less than rupees 7,000 and does not own any vehicle and does not own any vehicle? How many families that does not own any vehicle? Total is this, and favorable less than 7,000, this one, and does not own any vehicle means 0 column, so this is 10. Favorable is 10. Now cancellation is there, cancel this 0 with 0, and final answer is 1 upon 240. Fourth part says earning 13,000 to 16,000, probability of earning 13,000 to 16,000 and owning more than two vehicles. Now see, more than 2 vehicles and 13 to 16. This is 13 to 16. 0 vehicle, 1 vehicle, 2 vehicle, and above more than 2. It means our answer is 25. Favorable is 25 because it is probability, and total is 2400. If you will cancel it, you will get your answer. It's 1 upon 96. Next is fifth part. Fifth part is probability of owning not more than 1 vehicle. Owning not more than 1 vehicle. Now no range of income is given. No range is given. Not more than 1 vehicle. No range is given. If no range is given, it means we need to add all the columns. Not more than 1 vehicle. Not more than 1 means 0. Not more than 1 means 0. So we need to add 0 and 1. Not more than 1 means 0 vehicle or 1 vehicle. We need to consider the families without taking their income. We need to take families without taking their income. All families having 0 vehicle and all families having 1 vehicle. So add all the numbers. Add all these numbers also and these numbers also. This will give you the numerator, means the favorable. So favorable will be 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469 plus 579 upon 2400. Now you can add and you can divide, and hence we have done this question. One extra question, because there is one more book of NCERT exemplar. I have taken one question from that book, and that also I want to discuss with you. Question is, a recent survey found that the ages of workers in a factory is distributed as follows. This is the table. Sir, ages of workers. These are ages 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 and above. And factory is distributed. If a person is selected at random, these are the number of workers. In this range, 38, 27, 86, 46, 3. I think table is clear to you. Now question we read. If a person is selected at random, find the probability that the person is 40 years or more. 40 years means we need to consider this 40 also. 40 years and more. All these 3 columns in the favorable. So we will write probability of 40 years or more. Person having 40 years or more. How many persons? It's 86, 46 and 3. This is our favorable. Now find out total. Is there in the question anywhere it is given how many total? So total we will find first of all. Total outcomes is equals to, we will add all these numbers, 38, 27, 86, 46 and 3. And this total is equals to 200, because total is not given in this question. So you will add all these numbers, all these given to you, all these workers. The total workers are 200. Favorable is clear to you. It's 86, 46 and 3. And this answer is, if you will add, you will get 135 upon 200. And after cancellation, you will get 27 upon 40. You can convert it into decimal also, but it is better always to leave your answer in lowest term. Second part says under 40 years. So probability of the workers which are in the age of under 40 years, which are below 40 years. So how many below 40 years? These two below 40 years. Very easy questions. 38, this is very easy question, you can do it easily. It's 200, and if we add these two, you will get 65 upon 200, and again after cancellation you will get 13 upon 40. This is our second answer. Now third part is having age between 30 to 39. So probability between 30 to 39 years. How many persons are between 30 to 39? You can see easily. These are 27. So favorable upon total, no cancellation. So this is our answer. And fourth part is number of workers over 39. This one, over 39 but under 60. Over 39 but under 60. It means over 39 under 60. These two columns. Over 39 means 40 plus, under 60 means below 60. So these two columns. So probability of last part, under 60 but over 39 is 86 plus 46 upon 200, and which is equals to 132 upon 200, and after cancellation you can get 66 upon 100, and you can convert it into decimal also, 0.66, because it is easy to convert in decimal also, or you can write 33 upon 50. It is up to you. Thank you.